Hey folks, this is going to be Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden. Now you would have to put a capo on the first fret if you wanted to play in the exact key as the record, but we're not going to do that here. Sounds a little bit better without a capo. So that's a big stretch there. But we're going to have open on the G string, 3-3, bar in those threes. So we go up to that 8, and then we just come back with those same notes. You could just not have to keep that held and just come up onto that one and come on back. Okay, so you can jump away from that and just hit that note, but if you can reach it, it sounds cool because they ring together. So that one I did 3 strings with that 3rd fret bar. Up to the 8. Then we're going 3, 5, 6. Coming down to this 8, 8, 6, 5. So that went open to 2 on the big one, and then open, open on the 2nd string and 1st string to the 7. So once again we got and then we're gonna go 1, 3, 4, 4. Just come back those same ones. Then we're gonna go 0, 5, 3, 5 and hold that. So that whole intro again. Okay, then we have the verse. Now the verse is going to be on the 12th fret. You can use like one finger. I'm using my ring finger here. So what we have is we have to wait for 1/16th note. So it's like 1 E and a. So as soon as the beat hits, you can hit right after the first little pause. 1, 1, 1. And that's the 10, 13, 13. And then 1, 12s again. And then 12, 11, 1. Then 12, 10, 10, 1. And that one does have the extra notes where the other alternate ones like didn't have that. So we got 1, 1, hold that out, 1, 1, hold that out, and then 1, keep picking. So that part is 12, 12, 12, and then 12 on the G. And then we're going 10, 12, 10. And then we got that 10 on the G string, and then we're coming up to 13, 13, 11. So that's a little tricky. And then we're back to another verse. 1, 1, 1, 1, 12, 11, 1. 12, 10, 10. And then we got, this one does not have a pause also, so it's. And then you got to wait a little bit. You got a drum fill coming into the chorus. You got. So that's going to be 1, 3, and 4, and 4. Go ahead, back down those same notes. And we got 0, 5, 3, 5. And then we're going to have 5 on the big one and 3 and 3 on the bottom. To 3, 1, 1. So hit that big 3, and then we're going to have 3, 6, 6. And then we go. So we come down those after holding that highest 6. Back to this one. That one's gonna end a little different with just 2 notes. So let's look at all that new thing. So we got chorus, 1, 3, 4, 4. 0, 5, 3, 5. And then 5, 3, 3. 3, 1, 1. 3, 6, 6. Go to that open one at the end, then back to this. And then we have a chord, 5s here in the top 3 strings. So we go. We're gonna have a hammer-on pull-off on that 2nd string on the 6th there. And then to the sevens. We're gonna hold that. That's the first time there. And then we're into another verse. We'll just do it once instead of twice. One. 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 Okay, so it would go twice, but we'll just do it once for now. And then we'd have the chorus again. And then we're gonna have. So here we're gonna go from the C to the B flat, doing the same type of riff. Back in the chorus. It's like a tease. Okay, now we're gonna have down to B flat, up to the 7th fret, D. And then we're gonna repeat that 4 times. So same exact riff on each one with the hammer-on pull-off. So like I say, there's 4 of those, and then we're gonna get into that odd time riff. 1, 2, 3. So the way you count this is you go 5, 4, 2, 5. So da dum dum dee dum dum dum. So as soon as you hit that next 5, 5, 4, 3, and then hit this chord, which is 3 open, open, and 3. And once you hit that chord, it's like 2, 3. So as soon as you hit it, you count like a 1, and then you got a 2, 3 after that. So it's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 of those things, and then you go. You could go just F to G. Could be a power chord also, which that's really the same as this thing. So it's up to you what you want to do. Gotta be F to G. It's a little bit too majorish. That's more of a power chord thing. Okay, then we go back to the verse, but it's a little different. Only the first 4 chords, so it'll be 1, 1. And you stop right there and you wait for a big drum fill going back to the chorus, going back to this chord. So we go. So you got that little teaser again. Chorus. Now we have. So we're gonna do 8 of these total. So let's do like a couple more of these nice and slow together. 3, 4. So once you've done 8 of those, we're back to this riff. 2, 3. And you end just like that. So that's kind of our power chord. 3 with the 1 and 1 on the bottom. And you'd want to mute that one in between. All right, Black Hole Sun by Soundgarden. This has a tab with it, a couple pages. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. Let me know if you have any requests. Let me know where you're watching from. Any questions, concerns, comments, hit me. All right, talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.